Here everyone, this is MSRNDA 2007 here with another video. Currently a severe thunderstorm warning was just issued.
Expected hazards include 60 miles
Unfortunately,
an hour
I'm so sorry I didn't get the radio, my WR300 and WR120 going off. I was sitting out on the back porch of my house and I got notifications from one of our local news stations that warnings were issued. I'm so sorry.
Choctaw, Hara, McLeod, Jones, Nicoma Park, Luther, and Nuwala. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Significant weather advisory for eastern Oklahoma.
That's wonderful.
And southern Lincoln counties until midnight Central Daylight Time.
That's me, Oklahoma County.
19 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
I'm not gonna say which one of those cities I am, but one of the cities that were mentioned.
Moving south at 15 miles an hour. Hazards include hail up to the size of nickels, wind gusts to 50 miles an hour. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Jones, moving south at 15 miles an hour.
The required test was issued Wednesday. Today is Friday, actually almost Saturday, because it is. Because current time is 11:33 p.m., so it's almost Friday.
Locations impacted include
like I said, I'm so sorry I missed the alert coming in.
West City, Choctaw, Hara, McLeod, Jones, Nicoma Park, Luther, and Nuwala. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
12:14 a.m.
Significant weather advisory for eastern Oklahoma, northern Pottawatomie, and southern Lincoln counties until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located from 4 miles southwest of Luther to near Chandler.
So if I get another alert in, I promise I'll be here to catch it for you.
Wind gusts to 50 miles an hour.
So anyway, thanks for watching and